So I thought of trying out the CodeShare challenges, so I got myself registered on CodeShare, went to practice problems by difficulty level, and you all know I go for hard. I mean, yeah, I like hardcore, and I was trying out this problem. So this is the question, as you can see, and this is output.
A few moments later.
As you can see, I have completed the program. The entire source code is here, so I'll just copy the code, then I'll go to submit. I'll paste the code over here. As you can see, I have completed the code. I have given some custom input over here. Let's run it. As you can see that my code got successfully executed. This is the input, this is the output. So the output matches very well with the sample output and the sample input as well. So I thought of submitting my code. So I clicked on submit. Are you sure you want to submit solution? Okay, of course. I want to submit. Let's see.